What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new video. In today's episode, we're gonna be showing you how to fix DNS prop no internet error on your Google Chrome. But some of you definitely wondering why this video, because they've probably seen my other video with a similar title, that is how to fix DNS prop finish no internet error on Google Chrome. The reason why I do this video is simple because we added a new method to fix this issue, and obviously this fix is more effective. But the old video is still relevant and applicable. Keep watching. If you go to any website on Chrome, we can see this error message, which is DNS_prop_finish_no_internet. For example, let's open Amazon.com. There you can see the error message came. Let's go to Truecaller, eBay, PayPal, YouTube. Every sites are responding in the same way, DNS prop finish no internet. And if we go to another browser, maybe we can access the internet without any problems. Here we are on Microsoft Edge. Let's search for something and make sure the internet connection is working fine. Here you can see the internet is working fine perfectly on the Microsoft Edge. So let's start the fix. Step number 1. Go to Start menu or Start screen. I am on Windows 10, so here I can access the Start menu as well as the Start screen. So my PC's default enabled Start menu, so I'm going to Start menu and search for CMD. It is the short form for command prompt. Just right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Now you can see the command prompt is launched. Then you're gonna want to copy this command, netsh winsock reset. You'll find this command on the video description as well. Then go back to the command prompt and click inside. Then right click and paste this command. Now you can see the command is here on the command prompt. Now press the enter key on your keyboard and wait for 5 seconds. The 5 seconds is just over. Now you can close it and restart your system. Now you can see the system is restarted. Now let's launch the Google Chrome again and see what's the difference. Wow! Here you can see the Google Chrome is working without any issue. It's perfectly working. There is no more DNS prop finish no internet error message showing up. So let's make sure this is really fixed. Let's test it with some more website and make sure that error is gone forever. Going to Truecaller.com, eBay, PayPal, and YouTube. Everything seems to be okay. Now let's move on to the step number 2. This is really important, guys. Do not skip this step. This step is called network adapter optimization. I know you guys are wondering, because we fixed this issue already in the step number 1, then why the heck for step number 2? The simplest answer is for the precaution. We need to make sure that this error won't interrupt your browsing experience ever again. So let's go and kill the root of this damn error. And for that, you're gonna want to get a high-speed DNS server and add it to your network adapter. Don't worry, we have all the high-speed DNS server that are available in the world and work all over the world for free for you. And you have an extra advantage by doing so. The DNS server will boost your internet speed to the next level. If you don't understand what I'm saying or to know more about what I said, you can watch my other video how to speed up the internet. You can click on the annotation right on the screen, click it and watch that video right now. Okay, let's continue. Go to this website, the link will be in the video description. Here you can see the DNS server addresses. We have Google Public DNS, DNS Watch, Open DNS, Level 3 DNS, Komodo Secure DNS, Northern DNS, Tata DNS, and so on and forth. Now you're gonna wanna find which DNS server is perfectly working for you. For that, all you're gonna wanna do is try each and every DNS server on this list. I know it takes some time and effort, but believe me guys, it's worth doing so. Here I have found my best working DNS already. Your best may be the same or different. So I will give you a demonstration on how to add this DNS server to a network adapter. Go back to your desktop and move your mouse to the lower right corner. There you will find a network logo on the taskbar. Right click on it and from here select Open Network and Sharing Center, and you will find this window. Now click on the Change Adapter Settings hyperlink and choose your network adapter. Right click on it and from right click menu you're gonna wanna select Properties. Now we are on the Internet Properties properties. Scroll all the way down and you will find this Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck that or unselect. And if you look a little bit upwards, you will find this Internet Protocol version 4. Just double click on it and you will see this Internet Protocol version 4 properties. Go down here and switch Obtain DNS server address automatically option to use the following DNS server address. Now go back to the website and fetch your high-speed DNS server address. First you're gonna wanna copy the preferred DNS server address and paste it to the preferred DNS server field, and then you're gonna wanna copy the alternate DNS server address and paste it to the alternate DNS server field. Now click on OK and close them all. Now let's launch the Google Chrome again. See, there is no more error messages. Let's try another test, going to Amazon.com, PayPal, YouTube, eBay and Pixabay. It's all working fine. So that's how you can fix DNS_probe_finish_no internet error. This video is also applicable to Firefox and Internet Explorer. If you have any suggestions or doubts, feel free to let us know in the comments below. We love to hear them. And if you like this video and wanna watch more, subscribe, like and share.